You're probably watching this video because you've never set up a wallet before, and that's exactly what we'll walk you through here. The good news is it's way easier than you think. And best of all, once you have this Fina wallet set up on mobile, you'll be able to self-custody your assets and access the world's best private DeFi experience all from the palm of your hand. So let's walk you through these 2 easy to follow steps. Number 1, visit the App Store. You'll search for Fina and install. Step 2, once we open the app, it will prompt us to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. In this case, if you're just getting started, you want to create that new wallet. When it reveals your seed phrase, you do not want to copy and paste this, take a picture of it. You don't want to store it at all digitally. The best practice is to have multiple physical copies. The easiest way to do so is probably writing it on paper and then store it safely and securely. Remember, if you lose access to your seed phrase or if someone else gains access, your crypto is gone. You'll also be prompted to create a password here, which you will use to approve all subsequent transactions and connections within the app. If you choose to, you can enable biometrics like face reading technology here. Once you've done all this, you have a fully functional, brand new mobile wallet. The last thing you'll need to get started is just a little bit of gas for transacting. Any blockchain you're going to use will require gas to pay for transaction fees. And on Secret Network and Shade Protocol, your gas is SCRT. We have other videos that can help you out with that or help you with moving funds onto Shade Protocol and getting started. We've tried to make those easy to find for you. But in the meantime, congratulations on your new wallet setup. It's looking good. Well done.